The second type of example related to the exponential curve or the curves which are in the exponential form is the given equation is y is equal to a into b to the power x. So we are asked to find an equation for the form y is equal to a b to the power x which fits best to it. The table is provided. The values of x are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Values of y are 144, 172.8 and so on. The curve to be fitted is y is equal to a b to the power x. As it is a problem of statistics, we take log to the base 10 on both the sides. So taking log to the base 10 on both the sides, we have log to the base 10 of small y is equal to log to the base 10 of small a into b to the power x. But log mn is log m plus log n. So this will be log small a to the base 10 plus log small b to the power x to the base 10. But b to the power x is written as x into log b. So I represent log of y to the base 10 as capital Y, log a to the base 10 as capital A, log b to the base 10 as capital B. So my linear relationship is generated as capital Y is equal to capital A plus capital B into x. This is our equation which is transformed from the original given curve. Now look at the constants present. Constants are capital A and capital B. Coefficient of capital A is 1. Coefficient of capital B is x. Multiply respectively by 1 and take the summation. You get capital Y summation of is equal to n into capital A plus b into summation small x. Here I get summation of small x into capital Y, capital A into summation x plus capital B into summation x square. These are the two normal equations which are generated. As per the requirement, I will be requiring summation capital Y, summation small x into capital Y and summation small x square. तो x का कॉलम मैंने लिख लिया पूरा, y का कॉलम लिख लिया and only I will be calculating capital Y. There is no requirement for capital X तो नहीं निकालेंगे. Capital Y is log to the base 10 of small y means log of 144, log of 172.8, log of 207.4. Accordingly, all the values are generated. This is a column for capital Y. Take the addition, summation of capital Y will be generated. Now I want the product as small x into capital Y. So these two columns will be multiplied. 2 into this, 3 into this, 4 into this, 5 into this. So that is giving you the column for small x into capital Y. Take the summation. Summation of small x into capital Y. At the bottom, this is a particular value. Take square of first column small x. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So this is the particular column available for x square. Do the addition. This is giving you summation small x square. So accordingly, all the values are generated from the table. Substitute them in equation 3 and 4. So this is how many observations are there? 5 observations are there. So n is equal to 5. 5a plus 20b, ये आपका equation is equal to 11.5835. 20a plus 90b is equal to 47.1254. Solving them simultaneously in the calculator, we get the value of small x and small y. Small x is our capital A, small y is our capital B. So solving them simultaneously, I am getting down the values of A as well as B. So what is A generated as? A is generated as 2.0001. B is generated at 0.07. 914. But I want the values of small a and small b. So what is capital A actually? Log of a to the base 10. So small a will be 10 to the power 2.0001. 10 ka square is 100. Small b is 10 to the power 0.07914. So which will be approximately equal to 1.2. So I have got the values of small a, I have got the values of small b, substituting it in the given curve. Y is equal to a b to the power x. So what is a? 100. What is b? 1.2. So my original given curve is now converted to best fit equation of the type y is equal to 100 into 1.2 to the power x. So this was just the explanation for the simplification of the problem. Asked to fit the curve, which is a type of exponential curve in a true sense, y is equal to a b to the power x. The last type of curve which is remaining is fit the curve y is equal to a e to the power bx. The table is provided. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means n is equal to 8. The number of observations are 8 and corresponding values of y are given. To fit the curve y is equal to a e to the power bx, I have to transform the given equation into linear relationship. So I take log to the base 10 on both the sides. Taking log to the base 10 on both the sides, we get log of small y to the base 10 is equal to log a to the base 10 plus bx into log e to the base 10. So represent log y to the base 10 with y, represent log a to the base 10 with a, represent b log e to the base 10 with capital B. I am getting the equation here as y is equal to a plus b into x. The normal equations will be generated by looking at the coefficients of capital A and capital B in the transformed equation. Generate the normal equations, draw the table. Here n is equal to 8, already we know. Small x is given, small y is given. I require only summation of capital Y. So generate capital Y, take the product small x into capital Y, take the value for x square, add them together, we get summation capital Y, summation small xy, summation x square. Put them in equation number 3 and 4. Equations will be containing the unknowns capital A and capital B. Solving them simultaneously will give you the value of A and will give you the value of B. Now calculating value of A, calculating value of small a is directly 10 to the power this value. But in calculation of this, log e upon 10 is the factor. So log e to the base 10 will be log of e. या फिर इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, log e to the base 10 means log e upon log 10 and log e is 1 upon log 10 का वैल्यू निकालो and then you simplify this, you will get the answer. So this is a different step over here. तो ज्यादा दिमाग न लगाते हुए क्या करो आप, b is equal to क्या होता है, कैपिटल B upon log e to the base 10. Log e to the base 10 means while pressing or calculating this value, press log and take exponential term e. वो आंसर आपको मिलेगा 0.43429. So this fraction will give you the value of small b. Small b आ गया, small a आ गया. Simplify, your answer is y is equal to 11.44 e to the power 0.2912 into x, because curve was y is equal to a e to the power dx. Again, for practice, this is a question given to you. Number of observations n is equal to 6. This is also the exponential curve. Y is equal to capital A plus capital B into x. Capital B is somewhere b into log e to the base 10. अगर ये कंफ्यूजन दूर करना है तो कैलकुलेट वैल्यू फॉर log e to the base 10. वैल्यू फॉर log e to the base 10 by change of base will be log e upon log 10. अभी यहां पर log कुछ मेंशन नहीं है, यानी बेस क्या है सबका e. log e कितना है 1 and log of 10. log of 10 means log of 10 to the base e. 1 upon ln of 10. Actual value is 1 upon ln of 10. 1 upon ln of 10 अगर आप देखोगे तो आएगा 0.43429. Anybody can verify. So this is also another way of simplify. अगर इतना ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं बढ़ाना है तो एज इट इज आगे तक जाइए, लेटर ऑन यू सिंप्लीफाई. अगर ये स्टेप आप करते हो तो b क्या होगा 0.43429 into small b. So from capital B, small b can be easily calculated. और वही अपना यहाँ पर आया था, देखो capital B upon 0.43429. So in the initial step, if you want, you can simplify. ठीक है. अभी आप बोलोगे कि सर यहाँ पर आपने चेंज ऑफ बेस रूल लिया है तो ये लॉग कैसा करना. भाई चेंज ऑफ बेस रूल लेने के बाद नेचुरल लॉग है. नेचुरल लॉग यानी बेस ई. बेस ई है तो बटन कौन सा प्रेस होगा ln. log e is 1. ln of 10 will be 1 upon ln of 10 will be 0.43429. So this is how the transformed equation is. Generate the normal equation, calculate the requisite values from the table by taking the addition. You get value for capital A, you get value for capital B by solving it simultaneously. Small a is obtained by 10 to the power a. Small b is b upon, यहाँ पर 10 to the power नहीं है, b upon log e to the base 10 जो होता है 0.43429. So capital B upon this is giving you small b. b के वक्त 10 to the power is not applicable, right? It is in this sense. And I get the answer for small a and small b. The value or final answer, best fit equation for the curve is y is equal to 8.04 into e to the power 0.5261x, which is the best fit equation